myQNAP Cloud Storage is QNAP's simple, affordable cloud service designed for NAS backup and makes off-site backups for 3-2-1 backup strategies easy to implement. And QNAP is offering your first 16 gigabytes of myQNAP Cloud Storage for free. To get your myQNAP Cloud account up and running, start by creating a myQNAP Cloud account. If you don't already have one, to do this, navigate to myQNAPcloud.com in your browser and click Sign Up. Here, you can create the account name and password. And you'll also need to confirm your email address. Now, you'll be able to sign into your QNAP Cloud account, and under the QNAP Cloud Storage tab on the left, you'll be able to set up your cloud storage by clicking Create Space and subscribing to the free version with 16 gigabytes of storage. If you want more storage, you can sign up for Premium. You'll also select the region of the server for your cloud storage. And here, you can see your cloud storage has been created. So now we can put this storage to use by creating a backup job with Hybrid Backup Sync 3. Hybrid Backup Sync 3 can be downloaded from the QNAP App Center. When you open it, select the Backup and Restore tab. Click the Backup Now button and select New Backup Job. Here, you'll select the folder or folders that you would like to back up. Next, you'll select the destination for your backup job. So, under the Cloud Server section, you'll select myQNAP Cloud Storage. Now, you'll use your myQNAP Cloud Storage to create a storage space. From here, you can continue through the wizard. Choose your backup schedule, set backup filters and settings, and finalize the backup job. myQNAP Cloud Storage utilizes 12 data centers globally to ensure quick backup and recovery time, and is a great option to back up your QNAP NAS to cloud storage at an affordable price. Be sure to check out the rest of our videos to better utilize your QNAP NAS.